I took one trade today on live stream and I closed break even at 954. And then obviously right after we closed on live stream, everyone saw the market pump towards my take profit level, which was that buy side over there, and then runners to all-time highs, which was that eyeball. I don't really feel any FOMO. I don't feel like I missed anything. The setup itself was not a plus, right? It was a protraction model off of the order block and the fair value gap going into the macro. But the way this formed, right? The order block took 5 minutes to form, and then it consolidated for another like 7 minutes. I lost conviction in the idea. I closed the trade break even, and then obviously we saw a large expansion higher. It happens. Would I go back and do the exact same thing? Not quite. I think instead of closing the trade manually break even, I could have just bumped my stop up. If you notice right here, we swept out this low right here, and then we got closure above these up close or down close candles, right? To me, that is another order block. So I could have just put my stop here, which would have reduced my risk by almost, right, like 50%, even more. So I could have reduced my risk by 50 or like 60%. I didn't have to close the trade break even. I could have just trailed my stop here, which is actually what it tells me to do in my rules. I didn't realize that we put in a short-term low right there and then swept it and then moved higher. I missed that signature in price. I was reading chat. I was a little bit distracted. I just came back from vacation, and I'm not blaming it on that. But usually I'm fully focused on the chart and not reading chat whatsoever. So I closed the trade break even. I have no FOMO. I had the right draw on liquidity. I knew this low was going to be protected, or at least I anticipated it to be. I called out the reversal, and then I said I wasn't going to take it, and I would take the protraction, which is exactly what I did. The market hit TP. A lot of people in Gems took the trade. A lot of people on live stream took the trade and held it. So I'm glad you guys caught the win, and I'll see you guys next time on Monday. Peace.